Businesses are leaving downtown Oakland and leaving in large numbers, and they are blaming the Occupy protests. In fact, in the past 6 weeks alone, close to 10 mom and pop shops have shut their doors. And one Oakland business leader tells Crown 4's Hazik Madyun tonight why Occupy Oakland is to blame.
Within the past few weeks, Oakland merchants have reported a decline in sales and overall visitors. Immediately following Oakland Small Business Month, Occupy Oakland came in.
And in the months that followed, several businesses closed their doors, says Eltina McCree, who chairs Oakland's South of Broadway Merchants Association.
Are they out of business? Or
yeah. Cervantes is gone, which is the Mexican restaurant in the next block. Kyoto Express, which is 4 doors from here, is gone. So Dapper's, a men's dress and shop on 17th Street, is gone. The furniture store, Levante's, they're doing their last closing sale now. Uncle Doogie's is gone on 17th Street. The African braid shop next to the donut shop on 17th Street is gone. Should I continue?
McCree says the South of Broadway Business District has been on a slow road to recovery in the wake of several violent Oscar Grant shooting protests in recent years.
My store, Underground Treasures, was on 17th Street for 17 years and ended up being the business that got displaced due to the Oscar Grant riots. So we knew that this was just something else that would cause people not to want to come downtown Oakland for anything, really.
However, she says Oakland's small business community does identify with certain aspects of the Occupy message.
The small businesses are the 99%.
In Oakland, Hazik Madyun, Crown 4 News.
Meantime, though, members of the Occupy Oakland protesters have a different take on why some downtown businesses may be falling on hard times.
Can I respond just for a moment?
Yes.
Okay. There is an economic crisis going on.
We understand that.
You can't blame this on Occupy. Secondly, I think that we have to be very clear that mostly what you're talking about is the police response, and that's why people are coming in. Thirdly, if you go around and talk to a number of other businesses here, they have gotten tons of business as a result of Occupy.
This weekend, Occupy Oakland has planned another protest event which will take place in downtown Oakland.